Marketing team. Promoting innovation, building relationships. Why our marketing team matters. The marketing team at IES Technology plays a vital role in promoting the company's innovative services, building strong customer relationships, and expanding market presence. Our dedicated professionals form the bridge between IES Technology's advanced solutions and the clients who need them. How we deliver marketing excellence. Market research and planning. We conduct in-depth market research to identify new opportunities, understand client needs, and develop targeted strategies that align with IES Technology's growth objectives. Campaign development. Our team designs and develops compelling marketing campaigns that clearly communicate the value of IES Technology services, from technical repair solutions to advanced digital communications. Engagement and growth. We execute campaigns across key channels, measure results, and continuously refine our approach to maximize client engagement, brand visibility, and sustained business development. Our structured, data-driven approach ensures transparent communication, strategic efficiency, and measurable results, turning marketing efforts into real business growth for IES Technology. Core marketing team members. Fosley, marketing lead. Leads IES Technology's marketing vision and strategy, driving brand awareness and promoting the company's full range of technology services and repair solutions to new and existing markets. Develops and oversees marketing campaigns. Builds strategic partnerships. Enhances brand visibility and reputation. Zaki, campaign and content specialist. Creates professional, clear, and engaging content that accurately represents IES Technology services, ensuring clients understand the value and reliability of our advanced technology solutions. Manages digital communication channels. Produces technical service communications. Supports client engagement initiatives. Zainer, market research analyst. Conducts thorough market research and analysis to identify new business opportunities, monitor industry trends, and provide strategic insights that guide IES Technology's marketing decisions. Conducts market research and analysis. Identifies new growth opportunities. Tracks campaign performance metrics. Fosley, marketing lead. Drives IES Technology's marketing strategy, building brand presence and communicating the value of our innovative technology services and repair solutions. Focus area, strategic planning, brand development, and partnership building. Zaki, campaign and content specialist. Creates compelling content and manages communication channels to ensure clients receive clear, professional information about IES Technology services and solutions. Focus area. Content creation, digital communications, and client messaging. Zainer, market research analyst. Transforms market data and client insights into actionable strategies, identifying new opportunities and measuring campaign effectiveness to support IES Technology's growth. Focus area, market research, analytics, and business development support. Razik, client relations specialist. Builds and maintains strong customer relationships, ensuring clients are fully informed about IES Technology service offerings and experience excellent ongoing engagement. Focus area, customer relationships, client engagement, and service representation. Marketing team collaboration in action. Our interconnected approach ensures every campaign and client interaction benefits from diverse marketing expertise. We work closely with technical specialists to deliver accurate, professional service representation across all channels. 1. Cross-functional teamwork. Marketing professionals work hand-in-hand with technical specialists for accurate service representation. 2. Campaign coordination. Regular alignment sessions ensure campaigns are consistent, timely, and effectively reach target audiences. 3. Shared market intelligence. Centralized research and insights platform keeps the full team informed of opportunities and trends. 4. Continuous optimization. Ongoing performance reviews and client feedback drive iterative improvement of all marketing activities. This collaborative cycle ensures IES Technology's marketing activities remain strategic, consistent, and impactful throughout every stage of client engagement and business development. Our values and commitment. Our values aren't just words, they are the foundation of how the IES Technology marketing team communicates, builds relationships, and supports the company's continued growth and success. Transparency and professionalism. We believe clear, honest communication builds lasting trust. Our team ensures clients always receive accurate, transparent information about IES Technology services, pricing, and capabilities, with no surprises. Innovative marketing strategies. We continuously explore creative and effective approaches to promote IES Technology services. Our team embraces new channels, formats, and ideas to keep the brand relevant, visible, and competitive in the marketplace. Excellent customer engagement. Building and maintaining strong customer relationships is at the heart of everything we do. We invest in understanding client needs deeply, responding promptly, and delivering marketing that genuinely adds value to clients. These values directly shape how IES Technology is perceived by clients and partners. Our commitment to professional communication, innovative strategies, and genuine customer engagement supports the company's long-term growth and reputation. Together, we drive growth. The IES Technology marketing team is committed to delivering professional communication, innovative marketing strategies, and excellent customer engagement. We are always looking for opportunities to connect with clients and partners who share our commitment to quality and innovation. Whether you are interested in learning more about IES Technology services, exploring a partnership, or simply want to reach out, we would love to hear from you. Let's build success together. Contact. Mobile, 711-71041/502555686. Email, info@iestechnology.com.qa. Web, www.iestechnology.com.qa.